Well, I better do this video because, well, I do one every day, so that's it. Sometimes it feels like a chore. What are you doing? Today I had a pretty rough sleep. I swear every Sunday I'm having very rough sleeps. Look how shit my front camera is. Whatever. Had a rough sleep. Went to Glenelg. Went to church. It was good. Can't really complain. After that, I went home, bought a paddock stand for my motorbike. Funny story, the box had two prices on it. One was $109, and one was $149. No, one was $139. Yeah, whatever, it doesn't matter. The fact that it had two prices means I got the cheaper price. So, yeah, that was cool. I need to learn how to use it properly. I struggled to get the bike up on it, but I did. And then I struggled to get the bike down. But got it down. Had a good chat with my R1 friend. It was long deserved. Probably could have been longer, but sometimes we run out of things to talk about. I mean, my life isn't exactly always interesting. Don't know what my American friend is doing, but I hope he's well. He'll be getting ready to leave, I know that much. I learnt one of my welds snapped on my motorbike for my speedometer. It's not bad, it's not going to affect the bike in any way, but I'm getting a bloke to weld it tomorrow. And it's been a pretty quiet day. And also this, folks, is why you don't use your phone without one of them on a motorbike without one of them quad lock vibration things. Look how bad my camera is. A Samsung S20 camera, Ultra 5G, blah 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 blah. Fucking hell. It's so dodgy, it doesn't focus very well. I'm watching one of my favourite movies at the moment. It's called Blue Lagoon, The Awakening. I like it. It's always a good watch. I enjoy this movie. Anyway, maybe it just wasn't focusing because there wasn't enough light. I don't know. But I know my cameras are pretty shot. Anyway, that's really about all. Bye.